Hello my friends, another one story in our video blog, old farting demon from Russia, and it's related with Amiga, of course. Amiga, and it's night and I can't scream Amiga, but we're talking about rice, of course. The rice from Mellow chips, Tristar and Red Sector Inc., of course. And the reason why I'm talking about this is very simple. Also, this video should be switched in Russian sometimes, because it's very interesting demo and it's related to other our videos. It's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's Sunday in Russia, yes, and it's a time for chill. We're chilling here, and this is why we're watching just watching Amiga demo on video, nothing more. But on the other hand, let's check this one. We have a direct links to YouTube and whatever. Also, we have a YouTube HD here. But as I told you before, if you see this one, just wash your eyes with some soap or vodka or whatever. This one is unwatchable. Never try to see the captures from amigaland.com. It's useless and you spend your time and whatever. Also, if you are just googling YouTube here, it's also very important. Do not watch the videos like this. Best quality, 50 FPS. No, it's just an Amiga land. They do a bullshit. Let's check something normal. All links should be provided at the description of the video. And today we are watching at Amiga release from April 1998, The Gathering, of course, yes, The Gathering, and of course it is the first place. No one's even can complain about it. It's a first place. Let's check this out. And this video is completely related with our previous videos, filmed by request from a guy from Genesis project. And this is a video is answer how Genesis project demos related with classic Amiga production. Let's check. I should a little bit adjust sound. And also a little bit adjust screen. There is practically no time for screaming during this demo, because each second like a diamond. But if you want to scream Amiga, you need to do it right now. Если честно, вот прям в этот момент можно и охуеть, и ебануться, потому что это просто отлично. И женщина выходит вообще отлично, просто огонь. Она квадратная вся, как Лара Крофт, но это же женщина, и она выходит в желтых труселях. Ну, просто прекрасно вообще. sorry, my friends, for Russian, but it is very important for me. Still no idea how it's related with X marks the spot and with the dive. Previously we reviewed this C64. Still no idea, but the girl jumped into the pool. And the question: who is living inside the pool? Who is the master of the sea? Who controls everything here? Who is the head of this demoscene? There are two guys. Yes, there are two guys. One guy from the sea and one guy from the ground. And excellent pictures, as far as I remember, from then. Maybe I forgot who is also of these pictures, unfortunately. Look, this is the guy who living under the sea. And of course, this is an octopus. Yes. This is not a first operational situation with octopus. A lot of Amige releases already contains such a type of content. We need to search them. About dolphins, about sharks, about other guys who are living under the sea. But this guy is not the only one who leading the scene here. Look what happens. The girl coming to the church. Пришла баба в церковь, короче, а тут такая фигня. Сейчас посмотрим, что будет. В двух словах не описать, как бы. Что по-быстрому вознесется, а потом туда-сюда. Yes, and the head of girl demoscene sitting, and the girl enter into the ring of light. Come on, let's go. And the girl is disappearing. Mr. Snake, the friend of Mr. Octopus, and it's brilliant, completely brilliant. Completely brilliant, and TCI are gods of that time, and even even this jeans scroll is very, very fantastic. These guys are gods. Also, especially very big respect to this guy who composed some music, and if we are speaking about TBL, if we are speaking about Elude, or maybe some other groups on Amiga, just remember The Gathering, April 1998. It was one of the groundbreaking demos for Amiga at that time. Thank you for watching. Just subscribe to the channel, leave some comments about what to see next time. I'm sorry for some Russian and Cyrillic at this video. Unfortunately, we try to produce universal content for English, both English and Russian demoscene, and just keep it on. Try to make some more releases on Amiga, PC, and whatever. Thank you. Bye.